Welcome back to Trading IQ, where we will learn the unlimited nature of the stock market. This is Shourabh Bhattacharjee, and before I proceed, I would like to apologize for not being regular. I know I haven't been posting contents regularly because I'm a little occupied with life, and but this is my passion project, so I have to come back to this again and again because I love sharing what I do in the stock market and I love sharing my perspective. So in today's video, I'm going to share one sector that I was looking at. It was in my watch list, but it moved up the ladder and it is currently at the top of my priority list in terms of watch list. Now I'm looking at this sector, and from this sector, I'm looking at a stock on a long-term perspective. And if it meets all my condition, which is to break out of a stage 1 to stage 2 with heavy volume, and at the same time, if the sector is performing well, I should be bullish on that stock. So in today's video, I'm going to analyze the sector as well as the stock. So please watch till the end. So the industry that I'm talking about is casting, forging and fastener companies. Now, I was looking at this sector, it was in my watch list, but recently I was just looking at each of the stocks. So how do I do sector analysis? So this is Screener website, and as you see, these are the largest 3 or 4 companies within this sector, right? Which has largest market cap, 40,000 crore, 26,000 crore, 20,000 crore. So, and all of these were in my watch list. Now, as you see, this is Bharat Forge, which has the largest market cap of 40,000 crore. So as you can see, it is in advanced stage 2, though it is sort of in consolidation mode, but it just started with that consolidation mode, but it is in way advanced stage 2 continuation setup. Similarly, AIA Engineering, as you see, it is again in advanced stage 2, right? Similarly, this is another company, Sundaram Fasteners. Again, as you see, this is in uptrend, right? This is an advanced stage 2. Now, within this sector, there is this company, Sona BLW Precision Forgings, which has about 27,000 crore market cap. Now, look at the technical chart of this company. Now, this had opened in the market back in June 2021, and it had a very good run till December 2021. And since then, it has been declining heavily, right? This is quite new, right? This is a very new stock, and it does not have that prolonged past for us to analyze, but then it is forming a very good structure. As you see, after stage 4, it is sort of trying to form a base, and the floor of the base is 400. As you can see, this is the floor of the base, and it is 400, and that seems to be a very good support, because here, as you can see, this volume that it had picked up after when it was declining, you see the volume structure, the volume was also declining. Now it started to gain some momentum after it hits 400 level mark, because now it is acting as a demand zone. Now this has formed a pretty good range. So the upper range is around 484, but I'd be interested to see it breaks through 500, because 500 being the psychological number, and at the same time, you see it is touching its 30-week moving average, right? Now, if it breaks above its 30-week moving average with significant volume, I am looking at volume very closely on each of the stocks, because that is very important for me, because if it does not break out with significant volume, then however good a structure it may look, but I'll not get myself involved or indulge myself in that stock, because volume is very important factor for me. So I'll be looking at volume heavily, and if it breaks above its 30-week moving average with heavy volume and breaks above this 500 mark, then there is a potential of it being, it can go up to any level, because it has just came into the market, and sky is the limit, because it will find its own level and this might not be the only high. So 800 is the recent high that it had seen just a year back. Now it might go up even further, right? So again, so we have this limiting thought that it might only go up to its all-time high and then it will retrace back. Why can't it go even further, right? So there is every opportunity for each stocks to go up from its all-time high and go find its own new level. So you don't have to have that limiting thought. You just have to come to the market, see the structure, and if it meets all your requirements. For me, volume and stage analysis is very important, and if it meets all my condition, I would be bullish on the stock. So again, important factor is to identify the sector, because as a sector, these are the largest companies: Bharat Forge, AI Engineering, and Sundaram, Mahindra CIA, and this is one of the, again, a forging, a casting company, and this is, as you can see, it's in clear stage 2, advanced stage 2, and you see the volume is pretty good. So as a sector, it is performing well, and within the sector, Sona BLW is sort of moving out of stage 1 to stage 2, as it seems as of now. It might not have that structure. It might continue with its stage 4 decline, but it is to be explored, it is to be seen, right? So these are the stock you should have in your portfolio if you're following this plan, if you're following Stan WEINSTEIN'S stage analysis, and that's how I plan. That's how I keep stocks in my watch list. I still have stocks from textile industry in my watch list. I'm not, currently I'm not interested in investing as of now, because it has to be a significant sector or a significant stock with a significant breakout, then only I'll be interested. Because currently, as you can see, the overall market, let's see where Nifty 50 is currently. So again, you see it had this good upward momentum, but then again it bogged down after the budget and on the expectation of the budget. So it is sort of, it's not looking bad, because it is still in uptrend. It is still in uptrend, right? Because it has this higher high, higher lows. It is still persisting its uptrend. So it's bullish, but it recently bogged down a little, and that's why I'm looking at this very closely, but I'm not, actively participating in the market at the moment, right? I'm just keeping a tab on my portfolio, but I'm not actively participating unless I see a potential sector and a potential stock that I have just shared, which is the casting, forging, and fastener companies. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, share with your friends, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you and have a great day.